Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to be working on my 2001 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Going to be painting that tan bottom. Going to be painting it white to match with a Rhino liner. As you can tell, it's not the same color. I got new fenders and they don't match, so that, and then I have an 08 bed on it, and the lines don't match up. And there's a little bit of rust I fixed, so just get it all to match perfectly. So we're gonna do the whole bottom white, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is basically take paper towel and we'll just go through and just clean the whole area that we're going to be sanding down. Just clean it before we sand it down. Okay, you can shut off now. Well, got it all sanded down. You can tell it's nice and rough. That's what we want. The bottom of the doors. Down to metal in some spot. Down underneath. Yep. Got this side all ready for paint now. Okay, now I got it all masked off, ready for paint. Try to mask most of your vehicle off if you can. Paint the whole bottom here, and we'll pull the plastic off, and then we'll do inside the doors then. Okay, so today we're going to be using the Raptor liner. It should help with rock chips and stuff. So this has the little cap you pull off the top, and then you stick it down here in the bottom, just like this. And then you just can kind of feel it pop in. That puts hardener in it. And you just shake it out for about 5 minutes. Okay, pause it. Okay, once you get it shook out good, just come down here and start painting. And I did not mask off the wheels because they're chipped up, and I'm going to repaint them anyway, so not a big deal. But if you have nice wheels, you want to mask them off. So we get started here. You want to stay 24 to 36 inches away, is what the can says. So when you spray it on, it gets all bubbly, and the bubbles kind of leave. Okay, so we got this side here. It's all rusty. When we get done, it should be all gone. Underneath, just surface rust, that shit.